Kelly's windy day. Thomas and Kelly were just arrived at the new library site. The wind's blowing hard, chuffed Thomas. Too hard, frowned Kelly. Strong winds are dangerous for a plane. The wind started blowing so well that Jack and his friends could hardly get their work done. Kelly's clean arm didn't like the wind. Uh-oh, this is bad. Look out, cried Jack. But it was too late. Are you alright, chuffed Thomas? I think so. But anyone else hurt? No, said Jack. But you demolished the shed. Soon Kelly was back on Thomas's loader.
I'm sorry, Miss
Jenny, said Kelly. It wasn't your fault, Kelly, said Miss Jenny. We'll get you back to the yard so that we can make a look at those wheels. I'm glad it's only your wheels, said Thomas.
Me
too, said Kelly. But he was worried when he fell over again and hurt someone. Choo-choo, said Thomas. That night, the wind blew, and the rains pounded down. The repairman worked all night fixing Kelly's wheels. The next morning, the sheds were empty. Everyone has gone to work, except for Kelly. The rain had stopped, but the wind was still blowing, and he was worried. Then Miss Jenny came to the sheds with urgent news. Isabella has come off the road at the Quarry Bridge, she said. We must rescue her at once. Kelly was still afraid that he might fall over and hurt someone. Can't you send someone else? He asked. Kelly, there is no one else. Isabella's in trouble, said Miss Jenny, and we must rescue her. Isabella was scared. She didn't like teetering on the edge of the road like a seesaw. Soon Kelly and Miss Jenny arrived.
Isabella,
you alright? Asked Miss Jenny.
I think so,
answered Isabella.
Kelly had to remove
her piano first.
The wind blew,
and the piano swayed. Oh dear, be careful. Soon Kelly lowered the piano safely to the ground. Now he had the hardest job at all, to rescue Isabella. Slowly, he started to pull Isabella back onto the road. The wind blew harder. Isabella began to teeter. Oh. Kelly was worried. He stopped.
What's
wrong? Cried Isabella.
The wind's
too strong, said Kelly. You can do it, Kelly, called Miss Jenny. You can do it. Yeah, said Thomas. Kelly and Thomas knew that he wouldn't let the wind stop. He tried his winch again. He pulled harder. And harder. Oh, my paint. The cheeky truck cried. Isabella was finally back on the rails. Yippee, said Thomas. Phew. Well done, Kelly, said Miss Jenny. Well done. Yeah, well done, said Thomas. Thank you, Kelly, said Isabella. You're a hero, Kelly, said Thomas. At last, Kelly had his confidence back. Isabella was on her way again. And Thomas could see that Kelly was happy.